Decision and communication. In this session, we will talk about decision making and communication decision according to National Biosafety Rule 2005. Now, final decision is made and communicated with the applicant within 60 days for risk category 2 or 3 contained use in activities as mentioned in the biosafety guidelines. Then the decision is communicated with the applicant within 90 days for experimental release, or it can be communicated with the applicant within 120 days for commercialization. ये 3 तरीके हैं जिससे डिसीजन एप्लीकेंट तक कम्युनिकेट किया जाता है, either within 60 days अगर तो एप्लीकेंट रिस्क कैटेगरी 2 और 3 में फॉल कर रहा है. सिमिलरली एप्लीकेंट से 90 डेज में कम्युनिकेट किया जाता है अगर वो कोई अपना प्रोडक्ट एक्सपेरिमेंटली रिलीज करना चाह रहे हैं. Then the decision can be communicated with the applicant within 120 days for commercialization of modified living organisms, cells or substances. Now, what is the criteria of decision? Actually, decision is based on the information which is provided by the applicant in the application form. Now, the reviewers review the risk assessment methodologies, that whether they are following the biosafety guidelines during their experimental procedure or not. Then reviewers look at the prior field experience of the researcher with genetically modified organism, कि अगर एप्लीकेंट फर्स्ट टाइम इस फील्ड में आ रहा है तो क्या उसको बायोसेफ्टी और बायोसिक्योरिटी की ट्रेनिंग दी गई है या नहीं, और अगर वो इस पहले फील्ड ट्रायल से गुजर चुका है तो उसने कौन कौन सी ट्रेनिंग्स ली हैं, whether they fulfill the up-to-date biosafety guidelines or not. Now, the final decision is recorded in a decision document as described in the biosafety guidelines. Now, once we obtain the applicant obtain the license, then no person shall vary the license activity as set forth in the recorded decision document. And here the license is granted by the federal agency under Rule 11 as set forth in the biosafety guidelines of National Biosafety Rule 2005. लेकिन ये लाइसेंस उस वक्त तक काबिल कबूल नहीं रहता जब तक कि एप्लीकेंट executes and undertake and makes an undertaking on a legal document that he or she will follow the biosafety guidelines throughout their experimental procedures, or they follow the biosafety guidelines for commercialization of the modified living organisms, cells as well as of the products.